What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, we have a special treat. We have Dewalt's Atomic Compact Series Combo Kit, which includes a drill driver and impact driver. Gotta tell you, I couldn't find out a whole lot of information from Dewalt directly. Went to their website, couldn't find anything. The only place I could find any info was on the Home Depot website. Nobody had them in hand. It seemed like everything was coming soon, coming soon. Everybody was reading information off the Dewalt website. Lo and behold, they were also for sale. So we got them in so I can put my paws on them and take a closer look so you can take a closer look. And it's coming right up after this. It says it's the Atomic Compact Series where size meets power. Does that remind you of anybody? It's saying 13% more power from their drill driver. It is brushless. It's saying 21% more torque from their impact driver. This is kit DCK278C2. The drill driver, which has 340 UWO. So pretty much what it is, a UWO, it's an underload rating. Max RPMs, 0 to 450 in speed 1, 0 to 1650 in speed 2. Clutch settings, it's got 15. It's a 1/2 inch chuck. Tool length, 6.3 inches. We're gonna confirm that. Tool weight, 2.4 pounds. The impact driver is a 1-speed impact driver at 2,800 RPMs max. It's got a 1/4 inch collet, 1,700 inch-pounds of torque, 0 to 3,200 impacts per minute. It's 5.1 inches in length. We'll confirm it. 2.1 pounds in weight. Whoa, that sounds real lightweight. I'm not seeing the American flag on this box, you know, the whole made in the USA with global materials. Tools and accessories made in China. Charger made in China or Thailand. Batteries made in China, Japan, South Korea, or Malaysia. Real hosh posh. You pull out the box, you got a bag. It's not a bad little bag. Looks like they're stitching in there not bad. I would have liked to see like a double bar tack type stitch here so it doesn't rip out of the bag. The problem is that maybe they were afraid that it would rip. They'd rather have the handle rip off instead of rip the bag itself. I don't know, but would have been cool. We open it up. First out of the bag comes the impact driver. It's in another bag. We'll pull that off. I'm gonna tell you right now, number one, it feels pretty nice. I'm not gonna joke. It really feels good in the hand. It has the 3 LED lights, very nice. It's got the single ball bearing on the flat of the collet, not in the corner. Very nice collet. Boom, quick insert. Very nice, it feels nice and secure. Tool only. You're looking at 2 pounds, 1.9 ounces. Second out of the bag is a battery. I gotta tell you, this is my biggest problem with this kit. Atomic, compact size, where size meets power, blah, blah, blah. This kit was $229 on the Home Depot website, okay? And, you know, it's not a bad price for a kit, I suppose. My biggest gripe is these right here. They've included 1.5 amp hour batteries in this kit. It's just, you know, it's better than sometimes they'll even put a promotional 1.3 amp hour battery in the kit. At least they put a 1.5 amp hour battery. But come on, Dewalt. Like, you know, there's no fuel gauge on this battery. It's only 1.5 amp. Can't you do a 2? Can't you do a 2 amp hour battery, Dewalt? Are you listening? Hey, listen. For you watching the video, if you're listening and you want Dewalt to listen, leave it down in the comments section below. Tell them, say, yo, Dewalt, who amps? I will say this, battery insert's really nice onto the tool. It's nice and tight. The lights come on. I gotta tell you, they're nice and bright, LED, tri-beam. So, when we put the tool and battery on scale, we have 2 pounds, we're teetering between 6 and 7, 0.6 and 7 ounces. Tool length is good. You got 5.14 inches. At the widest point on the tool, you're looking at 2.406 inches. We have tool height with the battery. You're looking at a healthy 9.10 inches. You got some instructions here inside the bag. I'm gonna put them aside for now. You got a charger. This is their DCB107. I gotta tell you, this is a standard charger. It's unbelievably slow. I'm just being real with you. Next out of the box is the second battery. Why the second battery? Because we're gonna need it. Thoughtfully, Dewalt has included 2 belt clips, which is nice. So you don't have to switch back and forth. Sometimes from the compact kits, you only get 1 belt clip. Now, I will say this. This is a cool, compact, but it looks, I gotta tell you, it's got a plastic chuck, but it looks like, just from the feeling in the hand, the rubber, bump guards and all, it looks like a well-built tool. Tool only is 2 pounds, 5.6 ounces. Dewalt is saying it's 2.4 pounds. So I guess 2 pounds, 5.6 ounces, 6 is in that realm, right? Once we throw it on the battery, put it on the scale, we then have 3 pounds, 1.9 ounces. The length of the tool is 6.27 inches. The height of the tool is 9.045 inches, and the width at what looks to be its widest point, 2.47 inches. The drill features an LED that shoots up into your workspace. It's not here above the trigger anymore. This is a 2-speed drill, but it's also just a drill driver. This is not a hammer drill. So you have your standard drill function, and then you have clutch settings, anywhere from 15 all the way down to 1. One major concern from people with Dewalt is chuck wobble. I'll say you can see some wobble, but it's a minimal amount of wobble. Looks pretty good to me. Dewalt has this nice feature from the Collet. It's almost spring-loaded, if you can see that here. And what I think that spring pressure does is pushes the bit to lock it in against its ball bearing that retains it. Pretty cool. But people see some wobble in the impact drivers. I am seeing some wobble. It could be the bit. Let's try a second one. It does have a little bit of wobble, but it's an impact driver. It's not a scalpel. You know, it just is what it is. But they seem to be very powerful for their size and very compact. And if you like things that are powerful and compact, kind of like me, then smash the like button. I know what you're saying right now. Oh, but you didn't drive any screws. All you did was unbox them and go over them. You didn't use them. You can't end the video, Vince. Well, yes, I can, because what you can do is, if you want to see these in action, go over to this video here. You can see these tools in what's called a tool test raw. They're going to get put through their paces. That's why I can end the video. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.